Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2020 Can-Am RYKER Rally Edition. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2020 Can-Am RYKER Rally 900 Ace with 3,375 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a passenger backrest, passenger grab handles, a windscreen, and handguards. Powered by a 900cc inline 3-cylinder engine, the RYKER puts 82 horsepower and 79 foot-pounds of torque through a CVT transmission. With a 5.3-gallon fuel tank, the RYKER has a 120 to 180 mile fuel range. It has a 24.7-inch seat height and a wet weight of 642 pounds. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output at 14 volts. Both front tires are at 830 seconds, and the rear is also at 830 seconds. We took this trike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician has noted that the parking brake and luggage key are missing, and that the hood latch is broken. We posted the service repair order for this trike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider a flaw not caused by normal riding. There are scratches on the saddlebag. This trike has one key, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.